Alright, let's talk about something that can be your best friend or your worst enemy: credit cards. Whether you're just starting out with your first card or you've had a wallet full for years, there's always more to learn about using them wisely. I know, some people say credit cards are evil. They get a bad rap because of horror stories about debt, overspending, and sky-high interest rates. But honestly, if you use them right, they're like cheat codes for adult life. They can help you build credit, earn rewards, and even protect your purchases. So here are my top hacks to make your card work for you, not against you. These tips will help you avoid common pitfalls and get the most out of every swipe. First up, always pay your balance in full. Seriously, the interest on credit cards is brutal. Even a small balance can snowball into a mountain of debt if you're not careful. If you can't pay it all off at the end of the month, you're basically giving away free money to the bank. That's money you could be saving or spending on things you actually want, and nobody wants that. Trust me, paying interest is like setting your cash on fire. Next, cashback and rewards. This is where things get fun. Credit cards can actually pay you for spending money you were going to spend anyway. Find a card that fits your lifestyle. Maybe it's extra points for groceries or travel miles, or even just straight up cashback. There are cards for students, travelers, foodies, and even people who love online shopping. Use your card for stuff you already buy, and watch those rewards pile up. Over time, those points and cashback can add up to free flights, gift cards, or even a nice chunk of change back in your account. But here's the trick. Never buy something just because of the points. That's how they get you. The rewards are only a bonus if you're not overspending. Hack number 3, set up automatic payments. Missing a payment is the fastest way to tank your credit score. Even one late payment can haunt your credit report for years. Even if it's just the minimum, get those auto payments rolling. That way, you'll never have to stress about forgetting a due date. Trust me, your future self will thank you. You'll avoid late fees, protect your credit, and have one less thing to worry about each month. Okay, this one's underrated. Check your card perks. A lot of people don't realize their cards have built-in benefits, like purchase protection, extended warranties, or free travel insurance. Some cards even offer cell phone protection, rental car coverage, or exclusive event access. Give your card's website a quick look. There's usually a whole section dedicated to perks and benefits you might not know about. You might be surprised at what's hiding in the fine print. Sometimes you're already paying for things like travel insurance or roadside assistance and didn't even know it. Want to build your credit score fast? Keep your credit utilization low. That's just a fancy way of saying don't max out your card. The lower your balance compared to your limit, the better it looks to lenders. Try to use less than 30% of your limit. If your card has a $1,000 limit, aim to keep your balance under $300. This shows you're responsible and not relying too heavily on credit. It shows the credit bureaus you're responsible, and your score will climb. Over time, this can help you qualify for better cards, loans, and even lower interest rates. Finally, never, ever take out a cash advance unless it's an absolute emergency. Cash advances come with sky-high fees and interest rates that start racking up immediately. Fees are high, interest starts right away. It's just not worth it. If you need cash, look for other options first, like a personal loan or borrowing from a friend. So, credit cards, not as scary as people think. With the right habits, they can be a powerful tool for building your financial future, earning rewards, and making life a little easier. Use them with your brain, not your feelings, and they'll open doors for you, literally and financially. Remember, it's all about being intentional and staying in control. Smash that like if you learned something new, and let me know in the comments your best credit card hack. Maybe you've discovered a hidden perk or a clever way to maximize rewards. Share it below. I'm always looking for more tips. See you next time, and remember, master your credit cards, don't let them master you.